think you should kill.
मैं कर देती हूँ. Guys, like, comment, subscribe.
And we hope that you enjoyed this today.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to another episode of Momina's Mixed Plate. Today I have Danial Zafar and Hania Amir in the studio with me.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. How are you?
Great.
Great. Are you enjoying your coffee in a glass?
Yes, I am.
Have you ever had coffee in a glass and hot coffee that too?
No, I have not.
How's the experience going?
It's great. I love this set.
You love this, right?
Love this show.
I know. Have you never seen it? How can you love it? So guys, what we're going to do with them today is they're going to be playing the Best Friends Challenge. What I'm going to do is that I have 4 questions for each of them. And let's see how well they know each other since they claim to be best friends. Okay, so I'm going to give you a notepad and a marker.
I don't know how to write it.
Okay.
Good job.
So, do you guys know how the Best Friends Challenge works?
No.
So I'm going to ask a question. One question will be directed at each of you, right? So if I say Hania, so the question is about Hania and you both have to write the answer. Okay. So we'll see if you both write the correct answer.
Okay.
Like, so
don't hide it, na. Let's see.
I'm gonna hide it.
Don't. I'm sitting right here.
What will I get if I win?
भाई बहुत लो बजट शो है इतना नहीं होता ना कुछ मिलने वाला
You get to keep the glass of the coffee.
Can I keep the glass?
No. 2 ग्लास है मेरे स्टूडियो के अंदर एक.
Okay, if I win, can I keep that spray, the last minute spray that you gave me for the hair?
If you say yes, I will walk out.
बड़े सस्ते गेस्ट आज क्या आप रख लीजिएगा हेयर स्प्रे.
Yes.
First question.
Yeah.
First question is about Danial. Okay. In Danial's opinion, what is his best asset?
Is this
Nothing.
Bravo.
Is this in terms of like
Physical appearances.
Physical
appearances?
Obviously.
What do you? It's about me, na. According to me, what do you think that I think is my biggest asset?
You would know. Achha,
Just
okay,
write
wait.
something.
Okay, let me look at you.
Can I give her a hint?
No. No.
First question now.
It's the one. You look here. Look at me. You keep looking at her all the time. You look at me. You write, please. Anything. Let's see if you get it right or not.
She's not gonna get it right.
Of course she's not. But I mean, I would have gotten it right. I mean, in the last 10 minutes, I would have gotten that answer right. And I've read it and I knew that that would be my answer also. So let's see what you've written.
Wait, na. I have 2 options.
Okay, I wrote hair.
Hair. Okay, that's cheating. There was only supposed to be 1. Next one.
Yeah. Next.
I go by the next question is for Hania.
Okay.
What is Hania's favorite sandwich?
I don't like sandwiches.
So don't see
But
it out
when
loud,
you
just write
have
it.
an option,
How do you know and I don't know?
because I've seen you order this all the time. अच्छा क्या है लिखो क्या है?
White kishri.
What?
You club
Yo,
sandwich.
whenever I
You always order a club sandwich.
That's you!
No, that's
You order a club!
You liar! Call Tanya right now.
She gets chicken and cheese. You weirdo.
Next question is about Danial.
Okay.
What is Danial most proud of?
Being Elisa's brother. That's my answer, man. Being Ali.
He even looks like Ali. I was like, your expression is also Ali's. Next question about Hania. What is Hania's biggest fear?
कभी नहीं guess कर पाएगा. कभी जिंदगी में नहीं. It's so absurd. You write something like losing family, I will slap you.
Show
God, let this be true.
microwave. What? You have fear of microwaves?
Losing my dimple. That's true. I am also scared of losing my dimple. But I'm scared of
Only one
microwaves.
that's it.
I'm really scared of microwaves.
Microwaves.
Yeah, once when I was littler, तो मेरे वो blue band नहीं होता उसपे foil है मैंने ऐसी तो अंदर
Oh my god, yeah, that's really bad. मैंने एक बार पूरी बिल्डिंग इवैक्यूएट करा दी थी पॉपकॉर्न्स बनाते हुए माइक्रोवेव में. साड़ दिए थे पॉपकॉर्न. Danial's greatest pet peeve.
It's so disgusting. I don't know.
You don't know your own pet
I don't know, man.
I'm
This
confused.
is. You tell me. I don't know.
Okay, you guys fail. You guys really are not best friends. I'm sorry.
I was actually gonna write people who are annoying and they just don't know what.
I was gonna write lying. Let's have another question now.
Yes, next question is directed towards Hania. What are the 3 items you'll always find in Hania's handbag? Phone.
No, the.
नहीं ज़्यादा उसमें ना जाओ दाना मैंने बहुत normal
Battery pack.
दाना you
Power
stole
bank.
that. I don't have it anymore.
Let's reveal.
Her green wallet.
Perfume, garment,
Yeah, my
wallet.
wallet, garment, perfume.
And he says green
wallet,
wallet,
yeah, wallet.
headphones and battery pack.
Well, one was
Chalo,
right.
one was okay. Chalo, okay. You were like average-ish friends. Okay. Next question is for Danial, which obviously I can only imagine some pandemonium and like havoc is going to. What is the one thing that Danial does not like people knowing about him?
Right.
Achha, I know what just came in your mind.
दो चीजें हैं.
Myself.
Can I say it out loud?
No.
One is very funny. I could have said it and gotten away with it.
No.
But
One second. What I don't want people
to know that he's Aliza's brother.
So these guys are really not agreeing on anything, and if they tell us
Because of
that.
her.
Achha, okay, so the next question is directed towards Danial, and the question I wanted to ask, they're being very indecisive.
I am not being indecisive. He
You
doesn't want it
are.
to come out.
Anyway, moving on.
What's his favorite thing to eat?
2 चीजें हैं.
नहीं ये क्या
यार एक यार.
अच्छा, okay.
क्या हो गया यार? इतना आसान सवाल.
Wow. Okay. Yes! Oh my god!
Finally.
Can you cook aloo keema?
Aloo keema.
No, I don't cook it for him. We have it together.
अभी ये मैं जीतने लगा हूँ अब.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know like you guys win together and lose together?
No.
Right together, die together.
Which social cause is Hania most passionate about?
I remember one social cause was the one you've talked about the most.
सिर्फ एक cause का नाम लिखना है.
वो कुछ तो सही है.
वो कुछ नहीं लिख रहा. उसका blank है paper.
अभी तक
Gender equality.
Oh yes.
Right women empowerment.
The right women empowerment.
What's
is
the
what
wrong
you
women
said.
empowerment?
No, I mean.
You know, there's so many versions of feminism, right? Some people try and use feminism as a gali. Oh, uska feminist बाहर निकला है. You know, that kind of stuff. So,
You really feel strongly about that.
yeah.
Thanks, guys. This was quite a roller coaster ride for me. I don't know about you guys.
Proof. This is a best friends proof thing happening right here.
I don't care.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Please do subscribe, share and comment, and let me know in the comments below what you like to see more of. Until next time then.
Why is it mixed plate? There's no plate, there's no food.
बाहर वो देखो 6 पेपर प्लेटें पड़ी हैं और एक डब्बे में खाना ही पड़ा है. साथ तो मैंने कॉफी पिलाई है. अजीब तो औरत हो. I hope you guys enjoyed the interview today. And let me know in the comments below. I hate you guys.